So like I said, there's things that come in on a regular basis to the house here. And when I haven't ordered them, it's typically a company that's sent me something to feature or unbox or try out or whatever. But in this case here, let's see what we got. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. So this is a product that is an automotive diagnostic tool. It's the latest and greatest, and it's from a company called Nucar. This is a Mucar 632, a diagnostic tool. Right now, we're just going to unbox it. I have got a couple of vehicles I can use this on. What I have is a 2019 Lincoln Nautilus, and I have a 2025 Honda Prologue Elite. That's an electric vehicle. So it's going to be interesting to see how this is going to actually come to fruition with the electric vehicle. I'm sure it's going to be fine with the Lincoln, because that is straight up, old school car diagnostics. We'll see how it works with the EV. So this is the packaging. For those that like to look at boxes, I'll let you take a look at it. Just says no second listing, whatever that means. And this has a 6.2-inch HD display with a new user interface for enhanced usability. Well, I don't know what the old interface was, so let's open it up and see how it looks. And here we go. Right off the bat, it looks like it's well packaged. Quick start guide. Those that like to look at the manuals, that's what we're seeing. A multitude of languages here. So we're going to go with the English, which is the first. And it just kind of tells you here how to go about getting things set up. Components and controls. Well, I've used diagnostic tools before. This is a nice one. This is really nice. Okay. Typically what happens, this is your on-off at top. Typically what happens is you have to plug in a cable into this, which they've supplied right here. I'm not sure what the USB cable is for yet, but typically what happens is you plug this cable in and we'll get this set up right here. What's going on here? Yeah. So obviously this is an ODB2 connector. This is going to plug into your vehicle. I'm not going to leave the cap on here. This is going to plug into your vehicle, and this end here is going to plug into the diagnostic tool itself right up at the top here. So that's plugged in. We're going to tighten these up so they don't fall out. And there we go. Right? Now, I can't turn this on, and I'm not sure where the USB-C piece comes into play here. Or maybe it's something over here. Yeah, maybe it's something over here. Yeah. So there's a USB charger. And again, an SD card, if you want to use an SD card in here. I'm not sure why we would use the USB charger. I'm not sure exactly yet why. But other things in here, there's a USB charging cable and some product desiccant, which I'm not going to use or need. So I'm going to leave these things in the box. Very, very nicely packaged, by the way. I'm going to leave these in here. And can hardly wait to try this out. Now let's just take a look at a couple of highlights. How to use. It's got a 6.2-inch color screen, diagnostic cable interface. Oh yeah, that connects to the OBD2 port, on-off button, power screen lock button. charging port, Type-C charging port for charging or data transmission. So if you want to send this to another device. Touch screen, confirm button. It'll auto search for your car. It does a whole bunch of things. Q&A. And then quickly we're into French mode. These products typically are self-explanatory. You know, you're going to okay to set something. You're going to toggle up and down through screens. You're going to hit the back button. You're going to read codes. Obviously, it's going to be plugged in underneath the dashboard. But we're going to get to that. MuCar, thanks a million for sending this out. Everybody, this is what we look like. This is what we're at. And for now, we're going to end this video. And our next one is going to move on to the actual use of the product and take a look for codes or any diagnostics that we have. Check out the screen quality, see how easy it is to use, and then take it from there. So my initial impression is a double thumbs up on this. Thanks again, MuCar.